Prompt number 2. Mad cow disease was first reported in the 1986 in the United Kingdom. You're one of the fortunate students to are on Dr. Aoki's class, where you gain knowledge about prions and other infectious agents. Imagine that you have been transported back to the United Kingdom in the 1970s. 8. What guidance would you give the people, consumers? Why? Acting. What would you tell the cattle farms? C. Acting. What advice would you give the government officials? In this video, you will see all of them below. Mad cow disease. Mad cow disease spread in the British herds in the mid-1980s after they were fed the processed animal remains of sheep infected with scabies, a closely related brain-wasting disease. It's a progressive neurological disease that affects cows, and over time it causes severe brain and nervous system damage, which eventually leads to trouble standing and walking and changes in mood, like increased aggressions and nervousness, because the infection creates a bunch of holes in the cow's brain where its cells should be.
Hey there, can you help me? My cow is acting weird.
What do you mean?
First of all, they're changing attitude. Second of all, they're walking weird. You see this one? Third of all, they can't even produce milk.
You mean they're not listening to you?
Sure do. Look. Hey, you also the cow. Come here. Advice can you give me for them cows?
You are experiencing a disease that is called mad cow disease. It's a disease that affects the cow's nervous system. It can also be passed on cow to cow after they are grounded up and fed to other healthy cows. Here are some safe practices that you can do to make sure that your healthy cows stay healthy. Make sure there is no cannibalism, regardless whether it's a cow or a pig. They cannot be fed decontaminated meat. Also, make sure that your butcher and slaughterhouse are practicing safe, making sure to remove the nervous tissue that is affected by the disease. Also, give cows safer food. You can feed them grass or maybe other hay.
There's a new disease around here.
What disease?
It's called mad cow disease. It affects my cows. They can make them go crazy. And it can even affect us.
I see.
1990s early news station.
Mad cow disease is fake. It's been spread out by those against you. Beef is safe for consumption.
1990s.
The government, the mad cow disease is spreading even more. And it's contacting humans too.
Well, we're gonna have to ban the use of animal products as fertilizer and feed, and any cow over 30 months old shall be tested for the disease if it's meant for human
As
consumption.
the government of Britain, it is important to act early in order to control the spread of mad cow disease, as it is a fatal neurological disorder of cattle resulting from infection by a prion. You as a government can ban human consumption of certain offal, including brain, spinal cord, thymus, spleen, and tonsils. Also, make sure to store cows known to be infected with mad. With these preventions in place, it will make the control of mad cow disease much faster and safer for the people of Britain.